Hi, it's Nicole. In this video, we'll share tips and tricks for pop-up card customization and assembly. You will be able to apply these techniques across many 3D cardstock projects in the Design Space library. Let's start in Design Space. I'll show you this customized version of the balloon pop-up card. You can really make it work for any occasion. By clicking Customize instead of Make It, I added text and offset. I like to pick a patterned paper for my envelope and use the colors from that to pick my other material colors. For this project, I also changed the pen colors to really pop on my black cardstock and switched some of the materials to specialty papers, adding a little sparkle for a New Year's theme. Another tip is to have multiple mats so that you can lay out and prep the mats in advance. I like to prep my mats in the order that Design Space will cut them. And on the prep screen, don't forget you can always move items to different mats to save materials and make cutting more efficient. Make sure you use solid core cardstock. This means that when it's folded, no white shows through on the fold. Anything that has to be folded on itself should be no heavier than medium weight, or 80-pound cardstock for best results. If you're using specialty papers, make sure your adhesive will work. Also, don't forget you need to plan to have the correct side showing. And here's a good tip for delicate cuts. Select cardstock for intricate cuts. It will cut multiple times to get a clean cut on small, detailed areas. Design Space prompts you to load the correct pens and scoring tools. Keep in mind you can edit tools here. Once everything is cut, lay out all of the pieces in a clean area, with same colored or similar pieces grouped together. Always dry fit pieces to make sure you have them oriented correctly and that everything opens and closes as intended. When you're ready to glue, it helps to use a precision tip as well as lighter application for best results. Some other helpful tools include a brayer, which will help you firmly adhere cardstock to your mat for the best cut. Reverse action tweezers are great for holding small pieces together while adhesive dries. And a scraper tool can be handy for making sharp creases. Be sure to share your cards with the Cricut community. I can't wait to see what you create.